Welcome to the second video on setting up and installing your OnPoint controller. This video describes the installation of WaterPoint or WaterSage Wi-Fi irrigation controllers. You'll connect valve wires to the controller connectors, mount your controller to an inside wall or outdoor enclosure, apply power, and confirm it reconnects to the Wi-Fi network set up in Video2. To start, it's always a good idea to record the settings of any existing controller. When replacing an existing controller, first locate the valve wire connections. They may be immediately visible or behind a cover. Then, disconnect power from the existing controller. Next, unscrew all common wires. In this case, there are three, one for each of the two valve wire groups and one for the master valve. Locate the extension common wire and wire cap that came with the controller. Gather the three controller common wires and the extension common wire as shown, and connect them together by inserting them into the wire cap and twisting until snug. This wire assembly will be used later. Common wires are not valve wires. They can be identified as the wires connected to terminal blocks with a C or COM designation next to them. If there are multiple common wires, they should be grouped together with a wire cap and then attached to position 1 of the large OnPoint connector. Now, remove the 10 position, then the 7 position valve wire connectors from your controller. Insert the common wire into position 1 of the large connector. While holding the wire in place, tighten with the screwdriver provided. Position 1 is the leftmost slot on the 10 position connector. Then, remove the wire for valve 1 from the existing controller. Continue connecting valve wires in sequence until the 10 position connector is full. The last slot is the wire for valve 9. Then, connect the wire for valve 10 and the remaining valve wires to the 7 position connector, starting with the leftmost position, slot 1. Remove the master valve wire and connect it to the rightmost slot on the 7 position connector. If reusing an existing enclosure, as in this example, remove the old controller and insert a new mounting surface if needed. Then, use the installation template included with your controller to mark the desired mounting hole locations and drill a pilot hole for each. Remove the template. Note, if installing in sheetrock, make the holes larger and insert the included anchors in the holes. Attach the controller to the mounting holes with the 4 screws included with the controller. Next, insert the 10 position connector into the matching connector on the left side of the controller. Then, insert the 7 position connector into the matching connector on the right side of the controller. If your installation includes a rain sensor, attach the 2 rain sensor wires to the sensor A connector on the far left of the controller. Now, plug the 3-position power connector from the AC transformer into the matching connector on the far right of the controller. The LCD turns on and the right corner soon switches from an X to a C, indicating Wi-Fi connectivity.